Okay, here's the power amp used for the sound system on the Tardis. It includes a music to light modulator. Each of these components are available on the internet as small kits. The voice recorder is about $35. Each of the amps are about $18. The music and light modulator is about $8. About $18, and the AC to DC power supply is probably around $25. It takes about a half hour to solder all the components on each of the boards, so altogether you got about 4 hours of soldering, making sure everything is perfect. It goes together real well. You can solder the thing and have it up and running in a simple afternoon. You follow the wiring. You come out 110 wiring input to the 12 volt power supply. 12 volt runs the power for the voice recorder and the 2 amps. The music light modulator is ran by this amp here, and it controls either 110 or 220 lighting, whichever you want. If you go to 220, you've got to change this resistor, and they send the resistor in the kit. Very simple operation to put it together. The recorder itself, you simply plug into the back of your sound card on your computer or your laptop, play the music. It comes straight through your speakers. When you decide what you like, then simply hit the record button and record the sound file or whatever is played on the unit. You can determine the quality that this chip records, from super high quality down to very low quality. Depending upon the quality depends upon the record time. You can get it all the way up to 240 seconds of record time. I've got it set at 120, and I will push the button and let you see what happens here. I'm simply going to push play. These have solder connections on it so that you can adjust them. You can solder them and put switches for as if you were entering or leaving the Tardis would turn it on. Here we go. I used a simple sound file right off the computer, off the internet. This allows me volume control on the speaker. I'm using a small speaker, but you can use a very large one if you want. This has up to 30 watts of output. This amp gives me the ability to adjust the sensitivity of the light. There you have it. You can record more than one message if you want. It will play through or scroll through the messages up to the time period that you have adjusted. The adjustments is done by one of the resistors. Depending upon what the value of that resistor is, depends upon its record time. I hope I help somebody out there. I'll put on the internet the number of these different amplifiers and chips, where to get them, and where to pick them up on the internet. The company was real helpful in sending the equipment out. I had it in 4 days. So have fun, enjoy.